guys, what is up? Today we're going to go for a ride, but first I actually want to talk to you about something super important, and that is knee protection. These are the Scott Soldier 2 knee pads, and they're something that I swear by. I use them no matter where I'm riding, when I'm riding, or what bike I'm riding. They're comfortable, well vented, and lightweight. Let's talk over some of the specs. The unique thing about the Soldier 2 knee pad is the fact that it has a D30 insert. Now this insert is specifically designed for the Soldier 2 knee pad. When you actually take an impact, it absorbs and dissipates the energy. The harder the impact, the more energy is absorbed. What I really like about D30 is the fact that it molds to your knee, giving you a really good ergonomic fit and making the knee pad super comfortable for those long rides. Other features that I really like about the Soldier 2 knee pad are the fact that you've got a silicone band at the top of the pad and also around the back of the knee. This just means if you do come off the bike and slide, it's not going to move and it should stay in place. Finally, what I really like about the knee pad is the ventilation. You can see just by pulling around the back of the knee pad how well vented these are. There are plenty of air holes to keep you cool in those warm, hot rides. Let's now put these on and head up the hill and go for a ride. We've climbed up to the top of the trail. An important factor for me when I'm looking for a knee pad is the fact that it's lightweight. It's comfortable, it's ventilated, and it's not going to move around. Now that we're going to go downhill, this is where I really need protection if I do come off the bike. The D30, if I come off, it's going to absorb and dissipate any of that energy. The silicone bands are going to keep it in place, and I have a lot of confidence in the knee pad. Let's go downhill and ride some bikes. Back down after a great trail ride. Thankfully today I didn't actually have to check out whether they work or not, but I can vouch for them. And they're also really comfortable, well ventilated, and something that I can wear all day long for those big rides.
Today we're going to discuss knee pads and take a closer look at the Slayer series. So whether you're just getting involved in the sport or you're an expert out pushing your limits, having a pair of lightweight, pedal-friendly knee pads can make all the difference between just another funny crash and a day-ending injury. The Slayer knee pads come in 3 versions, each one pedal-friendly and with their own level of protection, so you can choose the version that works best for you and the terrain you are riding. The Slayer knee sleeve is our most lightweight, breathable, and pedal-friendly knee pad. While the Slayer knee sleeve does not meet stringent CE certifications, this pad offers solid protection. It is the ideal option for beginners who need comfort and protection, and pros and experts who need all-day wearability for big remote rides. The Slayer knee pad is a lightweight, low-profile, fully certified knee protector built for riders of any level. Features include CE certified foam padding, pre-curved ergonomic patterning for an enhanced fit, and Cordura abrasion resistance for durability. The Slayer Pro knee pad offers the most protection of the Slayer series, while still maintaining a lightweight, pedal-friendly, and low-profile design. Added padding on the sides of the knee complement the fully CE certified foam padding over the kneecap, while an adjustable elastic strap and silicone grippers keep the pad in place. As your skill level increases and your descents become rowdier, you will require even more protection. Dakine has you covered, so check out the all-new Agent with easy on-off straps so you don't need to remove your shoes, or the hard-shelled Mayhem for full protection in unforgiving terrain. For more information on the Dakine bike line, visit your local bike shop and ask for Dakine, or you can find us online at dakine.com. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the trail.
Ladies and gentlemen, meet the Swiss Army knife of the medium impact category, the K-Traze. This little thing right here. That's right, the best of both worlds. Well, It's what we all want. Now, if you're the all-mountain or enduro rider, you want to go up, you want to grind it out, sweat it out, but then you want to get a little bit yip-skippy and go real fast down. Well, this is going to be your ticket to ride. Now, let's be honest. Going fast is fun. And when you go fast, you need that added insurance. And so what they did, sewn right into the fabric of this thing, is a super lightweight and flexible SaskTech pad. Not only that, it's built from sustainable materials, and man, get that off your conscience and have yourself a good time. So, when it comes to fit, how did they get here? Well, Ion has been fitting all different kinds of body types into wetsuits for many a moon. And they've established an entire expertise around this, and they call it Ionic Fit. Now, they've taken Ionic Fit and basically implemented it into this thing as it's supported by the SaskTech pad. And this creates just an ultimate fitting pad that is not going to shift and shimmy on you when you hit the deck. It's going to hold in place. And, when you're grinding it out on the way up, you've got super perforated neoprene. That's right, their words, not mine. But I gotta say, it's a heck of a thing. Yeah, it's a hell of a thing. For the all-mountain rider who likes to go fast. Let's be honest, it's the kid in all of us, the K-Traze. On to the heavyweights.
So Pro X has been in the family for a while, and the evolution now, the new Pro X3 is pretty amazing.
We've taken a great pad and made it even better. So they're going to be more comfortable around your knee, they're going to be more protective on your kneecap, and they're going to be more comfortable around your calf.
Pro X3 is our everyday, all-day pad. It's meant for the guy that, probably feels like he's not going to crash, but when he does, he wants to have good protection. It's our minimalist pad.
So someone that's going on long cross-country rides, someone that's maybe getting into mountain biking, or a family that might be looking for products for their kids, or even products for themselves. Good for long days in the saddle, and on those hot summer days, they're still going to be lightweight and breathable. The Pro X has been our bread and butter in our line for the last 10 years or so, and we've taken findings from our other products and put them into Pro X3. We've taken the comfort layer we use in our Pro Rugged and added that into our Pro X line. So what that does is it provides a layer of EVA foam under our SmartFlex padding that adds both as a layer of comfort and protection.
We've added perforated holes so it has a lot of breathability. Also new on the Pro X3 is a new lower gripper. We've had gripper on the pads for a while, and that's probably one of the toughest touch points to actually get the pad to fit all the different calves out there. So this year we have a new gripper that's on a wider band. It's got these dimple silicones in it, so it grips really, really well. Incredibly comfortable on the lower part of the calf and helps the pad stay in place really nice. The Pro X3 knee is going to be phenomenal, as we always do. There's a sister pad, so we have a Pro X3 elbow. All the same benefits come with that. And then we've also reintroduced a shin pad. As flat pedals have evolved, people are starting to ride from beginner riders to advanced riders with flat pedals. There's really a need for a shin pad, so we're happy to introduce that we're bringing back the shin pad.
Our Pro X3 line across the knees, elbows, and shin are all machine washable. SmartFlex technology is completely waterproof. Throw them in the washing machine, let them air dry.
It is our best-selling pad, and it's going to remain that way.